rose tree. Morning. One of the reasons I want to design this wardrobe is so I could have a desk directly underneath this window. So it's just wide enough to get my laptop on. So I can sit here under the glass, a little bit of vitamin D coming through. It's also the perfect height as a standing desk. Of course, I've got a lot more work to do on this build, but for now I've got another little working area. So I can sit here and do my video editing and look out of the window. And for once it's not raining. Lynn's outside working in the garden this morning. We'll go and see what she's up to soon. Bring your barrow you've pulled. Well, there's little walnut saplings in that we found in the garden. They've all come off the big walnut tree. So this walnut tree up here is huge now. But when we got the house, it was quite small really. When we look at the photographs now of the house when we bought it. So if it looks like this one here, in a few years' time, maybe not quite that big in my lifetime, but it'd be nice if one of them took off. It's not quite as tall as the house, because when I was up on the roof the other week, you actually look down onto this, so although it is slightly downhill of the house, but I reckon it's probably about 8 or 9 metres tall. But we found these little saplings growing in the beds down here. They took themselves down right down the side of the little concrete walls, almost like that was tried to do.
a menace.
Is the correct pronunciation.
Cooch.
Cooch. We'll try and get it out without moving the obelisk. Oh, it's there, I see. So it's okay. Do you think, Gracie? I need to pump that out, don't we? Do that one. Just read that out before we poke his eyes out with it. Well, the huge are the ones that you see that have flourished.
They are, but that's the one that's orange. This one's a red one, so you don't really see very many red ones.
This way you put your lavender the other day. Oh, Gracie, don't chase the onyx. Oh, there's one. That's two, actually. The idea is to move these two trees here because now we've got the carport, it's on a direct route to the carport, and this tree here, once it gets established, is going to be lovely. Unfortunately, there's only 2 pieces of autumn foliage left on it now, but so we're going to move it round the front before I run over it. Actually not putting the car away in an evening just so I don't run that tree over. We already dug a bigger tree, it was out there. Mercy. We moved on to Winton. Action. Tree dormer. Lidl. Brico cash. Selling radiators. Cookers. Douche. Electric sockets. Oh, Lidl's all about skiing. Oh, Christmas sweaters. Oh, Gracie! There you are, look. Umpul ki adushian.
Oh goodness, poor little dogs.
They've even got the pot, haven't they?
And they're advertising Lidl as well, the dogs are.
Oh, that's true. Little dog, you should get paid to wear that, Gracie. Being an influencer, Gracie, you should get paid to advertise. Well, I'm quite happy the way that looks. Plenty of space down there. If you don't look over that side, it's fine in here. Put the hanging rails in next.
Yeah, it's hardly taking up any space at all. There's still plenty of space for the bedside.
Well, that table,
Table.
I mean, the doors, when the doors open, they're only 500 wide, so they're going to come back to here.
Yeah.
So it's less than half that space.